Yo, okay, this video is for my train horns. My air setup I got with the compressor in the tank. So I'm gonna start off by showing you the actual horns that's underneath the truck. And the horns that I have are Nathan Airchime K3s. And I paid about $1,000. Well, I paid about $1,200 for the whole setup, and that consists of the horns, the tank, and the compressor. It's a 5-gallon tank. And a Viair 380 compressor, I think. And I also have a separate airline running in case one of my tires get low. I can just fill it right back up. That's the little gauge. But yeah, $1,200 for the set. It came with the hose. The tank, the compressor, the horns, and all the wiring and everything I needed to get the horns up there. Pretty simple to hook up. You just gotta know what you're doing. If you can hook up a sound system, then you can hook up a set of train horns. Alright, let me hit them for you. I got my button right there. And I also have them on my key as an auxiliary. If I just hold lock and auxiliary, blows it. It's pretty loud. They're the loudest I've had. This is like my 5th set. I want to get K5s, but I can't find anybody that wants to buy these. So if you're interested, hit me up. Let me hit them again for you just to show you how loud they are. It echoed way down there. Alrighty. Later.